Hey, it's Amanda from supplyhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Honeywell VR8345M4302 gas valve. This universal valve can handle a wide range of intermittent pilot, direct spark ignition, and hot surface pilot gas valve needs. The control includes a manual valve, 2 automatic operators, a pressure regulator, pilot adjustment, pilot plug, and ignition adapter. The VR8345M is designed for use with 24 VAC heating appliances that burn natural, manufactured, or LP gas up to 300,000 BTUs. A natural gas to LP converter kit is included. The valve features a straight-through body pattern with 3/4 inch inlet and outlet connections and comes with 2 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch reducer bushings. This valve has an intermittent pilot direct ignition with an internal inlet screen that blocks contaminants in the gas line from entering the valve. A compact design allows it to fit into tightly packed, high-efficiency heating equipment. A 4-inch swing radius allows for easy rotation into position inside the tightest furnace vestibules. All adjustments and wiring connections are accessible from the top control. The keyed terminal block is clearly marked for quick attachment of wires and an IP, DSI, and HSI jumper. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.